How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's video. We're going to be a bit windy here, so I hope the mic is not getting too much wind noise. So today's video, we've got a tight squeeze here. Whoa. This is the March challenge, photographic challenge. Get my head down here. I've got the camera on it. What's happening here? Yeah, so this is the March challenge. The self-portraits. Look at this here. So, thank you all so much for entering. I really appreciate you doing that. You can see now. Yeah, so basically that's the March challenge, the photographic challenge. I want to thank you all so much for taking part in it. Really pleased. The photography was brilliant, guys. Thank you so much. And if you're not familiar with it, there's going to be, join the April one. The April one is reflections. You've already started sending your photographs in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep this pretty quick. I'm going to start off with my photographs in no particular order. And then you'll see the photographers' names, and some of them have social media links on them. Leave me comments down below. As I say, it's not a competition. Wee cat over there. It's not a competition, it's just to get us to challenge our usual type of photography. I certainly learned a lot from your photographs, guys. Thank you. And also, hold on. And also you guys who sent in for April so far, brilliant, loving them. So say, have a wee look, guys, send them some love. I hope their photographs have inspired you as much as they've inspired me. Just wonderful to see. Guys, sending these up from Belfast. Oh, here, by the way, tomorrow I'm heading over to Berlin with Sheena. Over for 4 days, over to Germany. And can't wait. So listen, see you in the next video.